my experience as a physician and now working with the ecosystem, the need is clear. Connecting physicians to the tech world drives innovation within hospitals, startups, and of course, empowering the physicians themselves.
To think about a system, to understand the vocabulary of a startup, to understand the space of a startup, to prevent mistakes, provides a lot of value for physicians.
What I really liked about the Gateway to Health Tech program was connecting with inspiring tech leaders and building a meaningful connection with them. I also gained a better understanding of the industry and the ways in which I could contribute to it.
The physicians brings to the table a good understanding of the problem that we're trying to solve and really guide us as a technologist. We are really looking for those physicians to come to work with Nuclei and other companies in Israel.
Gateway showed me how my expertise as a physician scientist can directly contribute to the development of innovative healthcare solutions.
We are passionate about creating solutions for big challenges and empowering people. We're empowering the doctors and give them more knowledge and tools to succeed as doctors and as industry workers.